Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today, we're checking out the best Wireless Carplay AI Box, a device that lets you upgrade to a wireless, hassle-free experience. Stay tuned as we break down its features, pros, and cons. Let's get started. Product features: Wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Say goodbye to wired connections. The U-Try AI Box automatically connects to your car's infotainment system, ensuring a seamless and clutter-free experience. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free operation for calls, messages, and apps without ever needing to plug in your phone. Shared wireless network. The device enables internet sharing, allowing passengers to stay connected while on the road. Perfect for long trips when you need an internet connection for entertainment or navigation. Stream music, watch online videos, or stay connected to your favorite apps hassle-free. 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. With support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, this AI box ensures faster and more stable connections within just 5 to 15 seconds. This means minimal lag, quick response times, and a better overall user experience. Compatibility with 98% of cars. The U-Try AI Box is compatible with 600+ car models that come with a wired CarPlay feature. That means most vehicles manufactured in recent years will likely support this device, making it a versatile option for many users. U-Try by 961A AI Box all-in-one video adapter. This AI box doesn't just enable wireless CarPlay, it also allows you to stream videos, use multiple apps, and upgrade your car's entertainment system effortlessly. Whether you want to watch YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming services, this device provides an upgraded experience without complicated installations. Pros: wireless connectivity. No more cables, enjoy a truly wireless CarPlay and Android Auto experience. Fast connection. 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 ensure quick and stable pairing. Wide compatibility. Works with over 600 car models featuring wired CarPlay. Internet sharing. Allows passengers to use a wireless network for an enhanced experience. Compact and easy to use. Simple plug-and-play setup with a sleek and lightweight design. Multi-functionality. Supports streaming apps, navigation, and more. Improved entertainment system. Easily stream videos, use apps, and upgrade your car's multimedia experience. Cons: not compatible with cars without wired CarPlay. If your car doesn't already support wired CarPlay, this device won't work. Might require occasional software updates. Some users may need to update the firmware for optimal performance. Slight delay in first-time setup. While the connection is fast after initial pairing, setting it up the first time may take a few minutes. Limited streaming app compatibility. Some streaming services may not be available depending on your car's software limitations. Final thoughts. So, is the U-Try Wireless CarPlay AI Box worth it? If you're looking for a convenient, fast, and reliable way to upgrade your car's infotainment system, this device is a fantastic investment. The wireless connectivity, fast pairing, and wide compatibility make it a top choice for drivers who want a premium, cable-free experience. However, if your car doesn't already support wired CarPlay, you may need to explore other options. But for those with compatible vehicles, this AI box is a game-changer. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the price link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews on Tech Kingo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.